You wanted me to lock it back up. Then you know what you've done, lock it, you don't touch it. What's next?
Takes time.
Okay, buddy, ready for outside? Alright? Go outside. We're gonna take a pool. Alright, buddy. Look at all these strawberry juice, man. No, she eats them. My cheeks are getting chubby. Yeah, you're getting chubby cheeks, huh, honey? Usually by June 20th, it's time for pull garlic, the first batch. You don't want no more?
She threw everything. She threw it down.
I'm gonna teach you a piece. Try to eat?
Look.
No. Take crunchy. Let me get the string off, honey. I'm sorry. Let me take the string off. There. You good? You like a pea? Crunchy?
See?
Yeah.
Look at that grow. It's growing.
That's right.
And then look at that up there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is full. That's
See,
right.
books are
That's right. I think she likes peas, buddy. She's eating. Look at.
side.
She's eating pea.
Oh, yeah.
She likes peas, buddy. Look. Look at you. Look at.
Careful, anak mo.
Look what you have.
Be careful.
Look what you have, Daddy. Spots.
Yeah, that's from working on the car, bud.
And we do that.
That's from working on the car, bud.
Yeah, then what
Roses.
and what do you do with that?
That's because I need to push on the car with my body.
Yes.
What
And
are
look
you
at
doing,
that.
honey?
Mixer.
Not good for her to chew. She'd choke on it.
And look at that.
So hard.
She likes the taste. Yeah. I bet you if it was cooked, but if it was soft, she could eat it. You like the taste? She likes the piece. It's just hard for her to chew. If it's cooked soft, I'll bet you she'd eat it. Yeah. You like the peas though, don't you? No. It's tasty? Huh? What is with the squinty eyes, man? Yeah. Okay, don't eat the rest of them. Those are for the baby.
Tissue.
You can have the peas, buddy. You like peas? Huh? You're eating strawberry? That big long tongue of yours, huh? You look like a frog. You're gonna catch a fly. Hmm? You're gonna try to catch a fly with that big tongue? Hmm.
There's a lot for baby. There's a lot for baby. There's
That's
a lot.
good. That's good. She can eat some too.
Yes. It's like it's gonna have. Oh, look at that. And there.
Mhm.
They're over there. What do you pick it on?
Yeah, I picked the stem of it.
Yeah, then what do you pick the stem? Oh, it's so itchy now. So itchy.
Next year, maybe I'm gonna double the strawberry plants. Now I know how to keep them growing without getting
I got
attacked.
pull it off.
That net, babe, you did.
The net and the spray.
It's work, your net.
Net and the spray and fertilize them right. I had the fertilizing down where it just plants can't grow if the bugs are eating them.
Oh, baby.
If they're all munched down by bugs, babe, the strawberries ain't gonna get. You ain't gonna get no big strawberries, and they ain't gonna get right. We need those leaves to produce the flowers and the berries. They hardly got no leaves and they're munched up, babe. They can't produce any berries hardly. They got lots of leaves on them this year, babe. And they're not all munched up by the bugs. Once you get back to the ones in the cement, those are, the bugs attack them worse. Probably because the bugs figure they dry out quicker. So it's probably easier for the bugs to attack them. Probably weak from not getting enough water. And don't choke, honey. Those the ones in the cement blocks, babe, they need water every day or they dry out. Well, the strawberries won't develop because it's so dry in those things. It gets so hot. They dry out. The ground is colder, babe, so I only have to water them every 2 or 3 days. So I'm gonna remove those blocks after they flower, babe.
Sister.
I'm only gonna keep a couple of them, the ones that had the berries on them, the best ones, and then I'm gonna get rid of the rest of them. Maybe plant something different there, different variety, maybe.
Eat it. Good eat it.
Babe, don't give her the whole one. She's gonna mash it. That's why I have to cut it up. She got some already. Take it. Put it back. Put them back. You got strawberry. Look. You got it. Look. Look. You got strawberry. Don't you want strawberry? Atta girl. Eat it up. And give you some more. Then give you some more if you eat it.
Hey, I just doing all the ants, Daddy. I just following the ant. The ant is up there, Daddy. Look at the ant. Up here. Up. I see an ant.
I can't reach him, buddy. When he comes down, I'll get him.
Mine!
Oh, yeah, he gets so beat up. All done? You want more? I've got you up another one. And some more. More? Want more strawberry? I'm cutting it up in pieces for you, honey, so you can eat it, see? Look. Little pieces for you. Okay, there. How's that? There, honey. Give you little pieces. Strawberry. You really want strawberry? Mommy eats strawberry too. You eat strawberry?
Strawberry! Flower!
Babe, the melons are getting long enough to where they're growing towards the trellis, babe. They're like this long. They're starting to head towards the trellis, babe. Cucumbers already on the trellis, babe. They're like, about this big, babe, almost ready to climb up the trellis. I think Daddy needs a recharge of coffee to finish.
Hey! Why did something break this?
Wait, give me that. Michael, give me that.
Is something breaking, Mama? Mom, you had to put tape. Had to put. Mama, I want more juice. I want more juice, Mama. Mama, I want some more juice. Mama, I want some more juice.
Okay.
She's working on her strawberries.